just thought of something while I'm here on this acreage. I've got half a day here to smash out as much as I can on my own. Hopefully next Friday I'll be able to have my offsider with me. I can really attack this. But I've got a couple of little tips here for you when you're on acreage properties and they're really overgrown. I've mentioned before, mow high at your highest setting usually, if it's this long. As you can sort of, it's very thick, very deceivingly thick. So I'm mowing at 3.5 inches. I can go up to 4.5 or 3.5. I'm able to keep a decent pace. So just because I say go to that highest setting, like you can do that, but if you can get away with going that little bit lower, because then ideally this would be a sort of 3 inch, 2.5 to 3 inch size is what you're after here on this property. Just to keep all this down for when all the snakes come into play in a couple of months time. So we're going to keep it all clear. The house is sort of way down that way. I've got this whole hillside to do, round down the front towards the front gate. And yeah, one more little tip. I'm sectioning off, as you can sort of see, hopefully. Sectioning off little areas, so I'll just go up here. I'm about to do another pass. I do sort of 2 runs up the back. So then that gives you the 2 widths, if you know what I'm saying. I'm about to run down this now. And by doing that, I'm gonna run this way. So I've done them across, and then I'm gonna go up. And all this is doing is once you're mulching up all that grass and it's getting caught up under that deck and it starts to struggle, it gives it an area to shoot out, especially when you got a mulch kit like what I do. If I had a side shoot, that's what I'll be doing. But to do that, I need to take apart this whole mulching kit, and it's a bit of a mechanism to do that. So time-wise, it's just for me and what I'm doing here, that's what I've got to work with. If you had a side shoot, of course, you just side shoot it out, let it just get out of the deck as quick as possible. And that's about it for now. I've got some brush cutting. I'll see if I can get that recorded. The bloody Isottune's battery's died, so no music, just me and my thoughts, mowing away. Oh, that was a struggle. All right, talk to you all later. Bye. Right, I'm about to get wet. The rain's forecast for later this afternoon, so I'm going to get the bulk of the work done on the other side there. So I don't know if you can pick it up on camera from here, but there's a lot of stragglers left. But that's alright, we're back next Friday. And being this long, yeah, you're going to get that, especially with a mulching plug rather than the side chute. Got another little area just here, tidy up, so once we do this, then I'll be onto all this brush cutting up here, and that'll do. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy your weekend. I'll get this posted before the weekend. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye. Bonus footage for you. You've stuck around to the end. That weather's played in my favour today. It's been my friend. Doesn't always work out that way. Just got up here to clear. Just ran along, around, back down, straight up. So this will just get it all prepped, ready to go, and then it'll be maintaining on a fortnightly basis pretty much from here on out. I've got some bigger days booked in as well because there's plenty of property way down the back, the dam, another little bit of like along the tree line. All of that needs brush cutting, and then down out on the road. got to wait till I got my offsider for that. It's a bit dangerous out there with the cars going past. So, alright, thanks for sticking around. Talk to you next week. Bye.